Hi guys, welcome back once again. Okay, so this time I got this amazing thing while scrolling over the internet, which is known as Harbinger 2024. And guys, this is the global level hackathon organized by RBI, Reserve Bank of India. Okay, can you see it is written right? It's RBI initiative and Bank of India's third global hackathon, which seems to be very interesting to me. Okay, I will tell you the full detail on how to apply and what are the prizes and what are the steps. I will tell you everything. Okay. So can you see what is Harbinger 2024 with the successful completion of two edition of Harbinger? That means the two edition is almost already completed, right? This is the third edition of the global hackathon and it's organized by RBI. Okay. With new themes. So basically, there are innovation for transformation with new themes and with new set of problem statement. So there will be two different themes, okay? So, and two different themes with four different problem statement, okay? So theme one has zero financial frauds, which has three problem statements over there, okay? With the first one is real-time prediction, detection, and prevention of frauds in financial transaction using alternate sources of data, including publicly available information. And so basically, can you see, right? Participants are encouraged to develop solution which may in real time help in detection and prevention of frauds using AI, ML, API, data analytics, and other cutting edge technologies, right? So these systems should not only accurately identify fraudulent activities, but also minimize false positive using various data source, So this seems to be very interesting, guys. So I guess if you are, working professional or in a college, do consider participating in this, right? So I guess participate करने में कुछ नहीं जाता, right? So do participate and give your ideas, think for it, right? Because these are the real time problems, right? And if you see the second problem statement, which is ensuring transaction anonymity in token based CBDC transaction while maintaining financial system integrity. This is also seems to be good. The third one is identifying mule bank accounts payments wallet, which is very common across, right? So can you see, right? So identify the mule amounts which accounts which may trace the accounts chain and raise alerts so that the funds can be blocked. So this is actually very thing because right now most of the people are using wallets and all those things, right? So the second theme is being Divyang friendly. Okay, this has only one problem statement with the fourth one, which is accurately identifying banknotes by visually impaired. Okay, this seems to be very good. This seems to be very good. So guys, these are the four problem statement across four themes. Sorry, two themes. Okay, so do consider give it a give detail a read statement a read to every statement problem statement, right? And if you need something in detail, if you're not sure about anything, do put in the comment section. I will definitely make a video on that problem statement, in thoroughly, and I will tell you what is that about. Okay, and now the question comes a major important where to apply, right? So is basically, Harbinger 2024 is owned and sponsored by RBI and is hosted on application program interface exchange platform, okay, Apex platform, okay. So can you see there's this link, right? So if you click on this link, right, then in this link you will be able to apply. So can you see this Apex platform, right? So now if you see, right, there are only 16 days remaining. That means from now it's like 19 July is the end date, right? Proposal submission ends on 19 July 2024, right? So if you're new to Apex, definitely consider clicking on this and then, see, registration start from June 7th. It has already been started and it ends on, July 19th, and the screening and shortlisting will be happening on October 25th. Okay. And the solution submission ends on December 20th. Announcement of winners is the same. That means, guys, you have time till 19th July. Okay. At least proposal send karo, like what you are going to do and how you're working or what you are planning to make, and full idea write in the proposal and send it. Okay. And once you get shortlisted, you will get a good amount of time in order to, work on it and submit it, because the prizes are exciting, guys. And actually, it's a global level hackathon, which will actually, enhance your resume also, right? So, like resume में आपके plus point add होगा, right? Now, who can apply, right? All entities, teams, or individual 18 years and above who are eligible to enter this thing, then you can apply. So definitely all the college students, and working professional can apply for this. Okay. So again, the same link, you can click here and go here and register. I will give this link, in our description box also. So this is written. Now see the prizes, right? Winner in each category of problem statement will get a prize money of INR 40 lakh. That means each category, guys. Listen, each category, right? Now special prize INR 20 lakhs to the best all women team. So women के लिए एक बहुत अच्छा फायदा है, right? So group, all the little ladies out there consider making a group or maybe go individual, and stipend INR 5 lakh to the team shortlisted for solution development phase 2 for meeting the cost of development of prototype. So guys, this is also one thing. So this is also this RBI has taken over. So I guess it's a good, and if you have, any queries, you can mail to this email ID, right? So guess this looks like, very good, and do consider applying this, and this is definitely going to help you out. So guys, cool. So I will, put the registration link in the description box. Any issues, anything, comment down. Okay, I will help you out there. And guys, if you are new to my channel, do consider hitting a like button and do subscribe my channel so that I will get more motivated to put videos like this, and so that each and every one can get benefited from here. Okay, so guys, thank you. See you in next video.